Hi, I'm Layla, and today I'm drawing me, Claire, and Abby. Let's get started. I made this on my iPad, and it took me a while, but I had so much fun. This is Claire. I always start with a really rough sketch. It looks kind of messy at first, but it helps me plan where everything goes. She always loves dresses and the color yellow, so I gave her a cute little dress. And she's got her hair down, just like she wears it at school. Now for Abby. She's kind of quiet, but I find her incredibly interesting. I think she might be thinking about her favorite food, which is probably pizza because I see her eat it every day. This one is me. I gave myself my favorite outfit. A suit with a tie, of course. Now it's time for my favorite part, coloring and adding details. I added blush to our cheeks, and I think it actually looks good. And I even added rose bushes in the background just for fun. And we're done. Here's a finished drawing of me, Claire, and Abby. I hope you love it. Which one of us are you most like? Claire, Abby, or me? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my art. Bye!